Hi, welcome to my channel Wealth Creation. If you are searching for best return than FD, then this is the video which will help you to find it out. So, let's see how to get the best return than FD. There are a lot of options available. You can invest in debt fund, PPF, or NSC, which is available in post office, or NPS, National Pension Scheme, you can avail for, or you can invest in mutual fund, or else you can directly invest in stock market. Here we are going to see about the best return option. So today I'll be telling you about investing directly in the stock market, which will give you best return than FD. So here I have selected few blue chip stocks where you can invest to get a better return than, not better, actually best return than FD. So here I have selected five stocks where you can start your investment. All these stocks are being the part of Nifty 50 for quite long period. So from chemical sector I have selected Asian Paints. You can invest one quantity in each of these stocks. You can buy one stocks every month of from this portfolio. Then HUL, from FMCG I have selected HUL, and from banking sector I have selected HDFC Bank, and from auto sector I have selected Mota, and from IT sector I have selected Infosys. You can buy one stock of each of these every month, so that your in total investment will come around 10,924. The rates which I have taken is the close price of today's market close price, and the return which I have mentioned here is 10 years average return of each of these stocks. So if you have invest in these stocks, on an average you will get 32 percentage return if you invest in these stocks for a long term. So let us calculate this. What will be the return if you invest it for a long term? Long term, we can take it like 15 years or 20 years or 25 years also. For a minimum period, I have taken 15 years. If you start your SIP in all these stocks, let us say you are investing 10,924 every month, and it is for 15 years of time, and the return percentage is 32 percentage, which is the average return. So after 15 years you will be investing 19 lakhs 66,320 rupees, and you will get a return of 3 crore rupees, which is a quite big amount which you won't get from FD or any other investment. So if you start your investment in the market directly, you will get a best return, and with which you can even do your early retirement. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be meeting you with another interesting video next time. Until then, it's Shamla signing off. Bye.